Hi, good morning and happy Sabbath, church family. This morning I have a special message for our adventurers. The 17th of May 2025 is our World Adventurer Day. Are you excited? Are you ready? Have you got your backpacks? Because it's going to be a wonderful journey. Remember, the theme for our World Adventurer Day is Travel with Faith. And when we speak about travel with faith, we are saying that when we are traveling as adventurers, we do not travel alone. Yes, we have our parents with us, we have our directors with us, and so we have even our church family that supports us. But most importantly, we have Jesus that will be traveling with us. And so we look forward to this wonderful day where over 210 countries in our world is celebrating this wonderful occasion. And so therefore, I want you to get ready. I want you to prepare. Make sure that your shoes is polished and shining, that your uniform is well ironed and ready, and also you have your Bible with you, because we are going to be singing, we are going to be enjoying our time, having our programs. Maybe you will be participating in the program for the day. And so we are excited. Everywhere, adventurers are preparing. Let us do it with excitement, with joy and energy. And so I pray that you as an adventurer will get all the support you need from your local church. I encourage you as a youth director, let's prepare. 17th of May, 2025, our World Adventurer Day. See you there. Be ready, because Jesus is with us.